Hey everyone, Zane here. Welcome back to the channel. If you're running a business and trying to choose between Wise Business and Revolut Business in 2025, this video is for you. We're breaking down the pros, cons, and fees of both platforms. And by the end, you will know exactly which one fits your business better. And for now, let's dive in. Quick overview. Now let's start with a quick overview of both platforms. Wise Business, originally known as TransferWise. Wise is best known for its low-cost international transfers. Wise Business offers multi-currency accounts, local account details, batch payments, and seamless integrations with accounting tools like Xero and QuickBooks. Revolut Business. Revolut is a digital banking platform offering a wide range of services, including budgeting tools, cards, FX, crypto access, and even invoicing tools. Revolut Business is built for companies and freelancers who want a modern, all-in-one financial hub. So both are borderless, digital-first, and heavily used by startups, freelancers, and international teams. And for now, let's talk about features. Now let's put their features side by side. Wise Business key features include multi-currency account. You can hold and convert over 40 currencies. Local bank details. Get your local bank info in the US, UK, Australia, Europe, and more. Transparent FX fees. Always shows real exchange rate. Batch payments. Pay up to 1,000 people at once. Accounting integration. It works well with Xero and QuickBooks. Now those were some features of Wise Business. Let's talk about Revolut Business key features. Revolut Business key features include number 1, multi-currency support. Hold, send, and receive in over 25 currencies. Corporate cards, physical and virtual cards for teams. Invoicing and payments. You can create, send, and track invoices. Expense management. You can control team spending in real time. APIs and automation. Integrate workflows and set up recurring payments. Investment options. You can access crypto and stocks. So in summary, Wise is more specialized for international money movement, while Revolut is more of a business toolkit with added perks like invoicing and team controls. Pros and cons. Now let's break it down with pros and cons. Wise Business pros include super low-cost international transfers, multi-currency holding and sending, transparent and simple pricing, no monthly fees, easy to integrate into workflows. And for Wise Business cons, it has no invoicing or budgeting tools, fewer team management features, no credit or investment options, no overdrafts or loans. And let's move from Wise Business cons and talk about Revolut Business pros. Let's see how many advantages does Revolut Business have. Number 1, it is an all-in-one platform. It has cards, invoicing, budgeting, etc. Number 2, it provides multi-user accounts and permission settings. It has free international payments with allowance, extra features like crypto, payroll integrations, and also offers credit and loans. But keep in mind that those are in select regions. Cons. Of course, nothing is perfect. And Revolut Business has some cons, including monthly fees, which can add up, FX limits on lower plans, international transfers can get expensive beyond the free limits, and for the customer service, it can be hit or miss depending on which plan you are using. Which one should you choose? So now you may ask yourself, which business account should you go with in 2025? Go with Wise Business if you run a lean business with frequent international payments, if you want low predictable fees, if you do not need extras like invoicing or budgeting tools, if you value transparency and simplicity. And you can go also with Revolut if you want a complete digital financial hub, if you work with a team or need to issue employee cards, if you will make use of invoicing expenses and analytics features. And I can tell you also, go with Revolut Business if you are okay with paying a monthly fee for more tools. So there you have it, Wise Business versus Revolut Business in 2025, side by side. And now, let me know down below in the comments, which option will you go for? Wise Business or Revolut Business? I'll be so glad when you share this thing to me. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe to the channel, leave us a good comment, and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.